I just got back from AI Thinkers in Kuala Lumpur, where I met people who are pushing AI forward in very different ways. Some are engineering entirely new models, whilst others are packaging existing AI into real business solutions. Both approaches have their place, but the biggest lesson is how AI is actually sold, what works in practice, the challenges, and why adoption isn't just about the tech itself. Let's break it down. Selling AI versus building AI. There's a common debate in AI. Builders build AI. They're the ones training, fine-tuning, and engineering the models. And sellers, they package AI into usable tools and integrating it for companies. At AI Thinkers, I saw both and more. Some folks were deep in AI research, crafting bespoke solutions for a decade in narrow AI and now in Gen AI as well. Others were adapting existing models and integrating them into businesses that just needed something that works. And then there were those just having a crack, experimenting and playing around. Honestly, that's fine too. Sometimes a company doesn't need to reinvent the wheel. They just need to optimize what's already available. And you never know what can come out of a side project, like DeepSeek. The best part of AI Thinkers, seeing companies really share their process. One standout was Cleve.ai. They laid out their early traction strategy with actual numbers, not something you see every day in AI. Most companies keep that stuff on the wraps, but Cleve.ai was all in, showing how they gain momentum by focusing on speed and delivering real value to users straight away. And then there was Mindhive. And their story, it went even deeper. They built AI automation for Zus Coffee and didn't just talk about the wins. Nope, they opened up about their biggest struggles too. Their biggest lesson, AI is 90% culture. The tech is rarely the problem. If the people inside the company don't trust it, don't understand it, or don't know how to use it, the AI just won't stick. That's the big thing most AI builders miss, but it's the key to AI adoption. And to be honest, to me, it will be even extra to say like 99% because there's a design aspect to it to really make it intuitive on how to use. Why both traditional AI and AGI matter? Another big discussion was the split between traditional AI like automation, predictive analytics, recommendation engines, generative AI, basically everything driving business value today.
My personal opinion is, so you call it the narrow AI, call it the traditional AI, is probably a way to go because one is the expectation is so narrow, it's focused on some really small things, right? It's so narrow that you can control the risk and you can control the experience very, very well, right?
And AGI, or artificial general intelligence, right now, narrow AI is what's solving problems and delivering real results. But that's the long-term vision, the AGI, the North Star that everyone's striving for, the game changer that can create businesses overnight and potentially replace entire industry. Here's the truth, we need both. Traditional AI solves problem now, AGI is the North Star, the future we're all kind of aiming for. But if you focus only on AGI and you're waiting for it to come, you're missing out on what's working right now. You've got to be implementing narrow AI in your company today, building that foundation for when AGI is ready. But if you completely ignore AGI, you might be left behind as AI keeps evolving tool by tool, and the company's AI stack might become outdated. That's why you might even need an AI officer to keep things on track and ahead of the curve. Alright, here are the biggest takeaways from AI Thinkers in Kuala Lumpur. One, AI isn't just about building, it's about delivering real value. Sometimes that means creating something from scratch, and sometimes it means integrating it with existing tools. Two, real AI adoption is a people problem, a design problem, not just a tech problem. Culture decides if AI succeeds, not just the algorithm. And design is the stickiness that ensures it integrates. Three, traditional AI is where businesses win today, but AGI is the future. Now, if you can afford it, having an AI officer on your team will really set you ahead of the game. And that's four. If you found this useful, subscribe for more AI and design breakdowns and check out my 2-minute newsletter below, which I'm starting today. And I have a question for you. Do you think AGI is going to disrupt industries sooner than you think? Or are we a few years from it being real? Drop your thoughts in the comments. I'm keen to hear what you think.